In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find version history in OneDrive. This is a useful feature that allows you to access previous versions of your files. Whether you need to restore an older version or simply review the changes made over time, OneDrive's version history is incredibly helpful. Let's dive into the steps to make sure you know exactly how to do this. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your OneDrive account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll notice the My Files section. Click on My Files and you'll see a list of all your files and folders stored in OneDrive. This is your central hub where everything is organized and accessible. Next, look through your files to find the one you're interested in checking version history for. Once you've located that file, select it. Now, after selecting the file, you should see a variety of options appearing, usually in the form of icons or a toolbar. What you're looking for are the three little dots, commonly referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those. Upon doing that, a drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can perform. From this menu, look for the option labeled Version History and click on it. This will open up a detailed list of all the versions of your selected file that have been saved over time. It's a powerful way to ensure that you have access to earlier iterations, and it gives you peace of mind that changes are tracked and recoverable. Now that you see the version history, you will once again notice those three dots next to the versions listed. This menu will offer further actions you can take. If you'd like to open any of these versions to take a closer look at the content and changes, just click on Open File. This allows you to review the document's state at that specific point in time. Another essential option you might see here is Restore. If you find a version that you want to revert back to, perhaps because the current version of the file has unwanted changes, you can click Restore. This action effectively makes that older version the current version of your file in OneDrive. It can save you a lot of stress, knowing you have the flexibility to undo changes or restore important data. And there we have it, a straightforward guide on how to locate and use the version history feature in OneDrive. By following these steps, you gain control and confidence over your files, knowing that you can always retrieve past versions when necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions about using OneDrive, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks.